Examples on integration by substitution method.
Before we proceed, subscribe to my channel Omkar Engineering Classes. Press bell icon, like it and share it.
Integral of the form integration dx divided by ax square plus bx plus c, or integration dx divided by root ax square plus bx plus c. In this form, first consider denominator as denominator ax square plus bx plus c. Remove a into bracket, x square plus b upon a x plus c upon a. Then find last term. Last term is equals to middle term square divided by 4 into first term. Middle term is b upon a. First term, coefficient of first term is 1. Therefore, last term is equals to b upon a bracket square divided by 4 is equals to b square upon 4a square. Add and subtract last term. Then d is equals to a into bracket x square plus b upon ax plus b square divided by 4a square minus b square upon 4a square plus c upon a. Then first three term gives perfect square a into bracket x plus b upon 2a bracket square plus into bracket c upon a minus b square upon 4a square. This term gives constant value. Hence, substitute the denominator, modified denominator in the above example and then solve. Following formulas are used in above step or for above form. Integration dx divided by x square plus a square is equals to tan inverse 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. Integration dx divided by x square minus a square equal to 1 upon 2a log x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. Integration dx divided by root x square plus or minus a square equal to log into bracket x plus root x square plus or minus a square plus c. For example, integration dx divided by x square plus 4x plus 5. Coefficient of first term is 1. So, here directly use formula last term is equals to middle term square divided by 4 is equals to middle term is 4. 4 square divided by 4. 4 get cancelled. Therefore, I is equals to integration dx divided by x square plus 4x plus split 5 as 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. Then integration dx divided by x plus 2 bracket square. First three terms is a perfect square plus 1. Then using formula of tan inverse, then integration 1 or tan inverse x plus 2 plus c is the final result. Another example, integration dx divided by root x square minus 6x minus 16. Last term is equals to middle term square divided by 4. First term, coefficient of first term is 1. Then middle term is 6. 6 square divided by 4 gives 9. Add and subtract 9. I is equals to integration dx divided by root x square minus 6x plus 9 minus 9 minus 16. Then first three term gives perfect square, integration dx divided by root x minus 3 bracket square minus 9 plus 16 25, and 5 is the square 25 is the square root of 5. Therefore write as 5 square. Then using formula of root, I is equals to log into bracket x minus 3 plus root x minus 3 bracket square minus 5 square bracket complete plus c is the final result. Next example on the above topic, integration sec square x divided by 3 tan square x minus 2 tan x plus 5 or minus 5 dx. Solution. Put t is equals to tan x. Differentiate. dt is equals to sec square x dx. Then I is equals to integration sec square x dx represent dt divided by 3t square minus 2t minus or minus 5. Then first take 3 common outside, 1 upon 3 integration dt divided by t square minus 2 upon 3t minus 5 upon 3. Find last term. Last term is equals to middle term square divided by 4. Middle term is 2 upon 3 bracket square divided by 4. 2 square is 4. 4 get cancelled. 1 upon 3. 1 upon 9 is the last term. Add and subtract 1 upon 9 in denominator. I is equals to 1 upon 3 integration dt divided by t square minus 2 upon 3t plus 1 upon 9 minus 1 upon 9 minus 5 upon 3. First three term represent perfect square or quadratic equation. Then t minus 1 upon 3 bracket square minus sign common outside from these last two terms. 9 is the LCM, so multiplied by 3. 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16 divided by 9. Then using formula integration dx divided by x square minus a square is equals to 1 upon 2a log x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. According to this formula, we get I is equals to 1 upon 3 integration dt divided by t minus 1 upon 3 bracket square minus 4 upon 3 bracket square. The value of a is 4 upon 3. Therefore, I is equals to 1 upon 2 into 4 upon 3 into log t minus 1 upon 3 minus 4 upon 3 divided by t minus 1 upon 3 plus 4 upon 3 plus c. C is integration constant. 1 upon 4 to the 8 and denominator of the denominator goes to numerator. So 3 upon 8 log into bracket t 3t minus 3 is the LCM 3t minus 5 divided by 3t plus 3 bracket close plus c. Substitute value of t. T is tan x. I is equals to 3 upon 8 log into bracket 3 tan x minus 5 divided by 3 tan x plus 3 plus c is the final result. Next example, integration cos x dx divided by root 3 minus 2 sin x plus sin square x. Put t is equals to sin x. Differentiate dt is equals to cos x dx. I is equals to integration dt divided by root 3 minus 2t plus t square. Find last term. Last term is equals to middle term square divided by 4. Middle term is 2. 4. 4 divided by 4 is equals to 1. I is equals to adjust 3 as 2 plus 1 integration dt divided by root 2 plus 1 minus 2t plus t square. Then integration dt divided by root 2. Last three terms gives perfect square plus 1 minus t bracket square. Then using formula integration dx divided by root a square plus x square is equals to log into bracket x plus root x square plus a square. According to this formula, the value of a square is equals to 2. Therefore, a is equals to root 2. Then I is equals to in 1 upon log into bracket 1 minus t plus root 2 plus 1 minus t bracket square plus c. Substitute value of t. I is equals to log into bracket 1 minus sin x plus root 2 plus 1 minus sin x bracket square plus c is the final result.
If you have any query or you want to solve the sum based on the topics included in my videos, you can send it on my email ID. Have a good day.